Your Focus Learning classes are run using Microsoft Teams. There are 3 ways to get to Teams. The first way is to go to the Office dashboard at office.com and click on the Microsoft Teams icon. This will take you to the web version of Microsoft Teams. In our second way of getting to Teams, you can actually skip the Office dashboard by going directly to teams.microsoft.com. The final way of getting to your Teams is to use the app version of Teams if you have that installed. I do recommend using the app version because it's a little more powerful and it can do a little bit more. So I already have it installed, so I'm going to select it. And if there are multiple people using Teams in your house, you may need to go to use another account. So now you can see that I have the web version and the app version open. They are both very close, but again, I do prefer the app version. So to see your classes, you'll need to go to your Teams. And that's this icon that's down the left-hand side, which is known as the Me space. Now in this view, this student has set it up so they can see all of their teams at once. This can be really useful if you're part of a lot of different teams and you want to see the new activity, which is showing here in bold. But don't worry too much about that just yet. We'll go over it more in a future lesson. If you're new to Teams, I do recommend that you change your view to the grid view. So if your teams look like this when you click on the Teams button, all you need to do is go down to this little gear at the bottom, go to Switch View, and go to the grid layout. And if it already looks like this when you click on your teams, you are ready to go. Now you can see all of our teams here. You can see which teams have new notices for us. Those are the little red numbers in the corner. And from here, all we need to do is click on the name of the team that we want to go to, and all of our information is laid out there. Now, if you don't see your teams or your classes that you know you're supposed to be in, you do want to check to make sure that you're in your Focus Learning account and not another account like a school account. You can do that by going up to the top corner up here and clicking on this little circle that may have your profile picture if you set that, and should have your initials. So if I click on that, I can see that this account is named Test1, so that is the correct account, and I can see that it is the @imadeit.life account. Now, if I've checked that and it is the correct account and I don't see my teams, then I can contact the school and I can let them know that I don't see the classes that I need to be in. But right now, this test student account has all of its teams in the right place.